Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a video on a DIY coffee face and body scrub, but first I want to lay out a few specifications on why this scrub is so great for your skin. If you would like to skip the rambling and go straight to the tutorial, I will have a timestamp on the screen that you can skip to. So without further ado, let's go ahead and roll that intro so we can go ahead and get started on the great benefits of this scrub. So benefits of this coffee face and body scrub type stuff. One of the most obvious benefits is that it is full of caffeine that will reduce the appearance of puffy eyes, will reduce the appearance of cellulite, and give your skin more even tone, and it also increases blood flow. The second thing that would be very important is exfoliation. Exfoliation minimizes pores, reducing breakouts and acne, helps disguise wrinkles by making sure your makeup goes on smoothly and there's no buildup of any dead skin cells, and gives you healthy glowing skin because your new skin cells will be the one that are showing and not the older ones. Lastly, some more great facts about this scrub would be that the olive oil softens your skin, it helps control shine, lets moisturizer soak into the skin easier, and limits oil production for you oily skin girls out there. It also fades acne scars and prevents new ones from forming. To be honest with you guys, I have done many face scrubs in my life, and this has to be one of the easiest recipes apart from my sugar honey lip scrub that I will link down below and put in a card above me. But the first ingredient that you will obviously need is ground coffee. The best and the easiest way I found to do this is to save K-cups after I have used them in my Keurig. That way I am not wasting fresh ground coffee, but you still get all the benefits from the coffee. Next, I'm going to add a spoonful of brown sugar. This is just an extra exfoliant in here, and it's also going to give more texture to the scrub. That way it's not just all coffee grounds. It smells freaking amazing. It smells like you're baking something. Lastly, you need something to hold the scrub together as well as add some moisture to your skin. I'm going to be using a little bit of olive oil. You could also use coconut oil, whatever you prefer. Olive oil is just what I have on hand, and you're just going to mix it thoroughly before applying it to your skin. And that's it, you're ready to use it on your skin. If you're applying this to your face, make sure you are very careful and do not get anything in your eyes. This works great to exfoliate before fake tans, and it also is great to use on the back of your legs or your stomach wherever you have cellulite. Well, hello, I finally decided to show my face in this video. I am bare naked, as you can see, and I have my scrub all mixed up and ready to go. I'm gonna pull my sleeves up, and today I'm just going to show you how I use this on my face to help with acne scars, as well as control my dry patches and my oily T-zone. This is best if you do it in the shower or over a sink, but first you want to wet the skin that you are applying the scrub on, and then with tiny circular motions you are going to gently press it into the skin and exfoliate your skin with it. I say gently because this scrub does work really well with exfoliating. You do not want to push too hard because you do not want to risk irritating the skin too much. It does not take a lot of pressure to get a good exfoliation. I like to really focus on where I get a lot of my dry patches and oils, so that would be in the creases of my nose and especially on my forehead. I am only 21 years old, y'all, and I already have some wrinkles around my mouth and on my forehead, and I have felt that this scrub has really helped reduce those already. Once you feel like you are properly exfoliated, this is what the scrub will look like on your skin, and then I'm going to rinse it with lukewarm water in the sink and apply a moisturizer to finish off my skincare routine. I like to use at night the Neutrogena Deep Moisture Night Cream, or I also like to use a Tarte Maracuja oil. I go back and forth between them. It depends on my mood, how dry my skin is feeling. Those are the two I use. I use them both sometimes. I use one or the other sometimes. And here is how my skin looks afterwards. It's a bit red from being exfoliated and also rubbed on, but my skin has improved drastically within the past year, and I am so happy with the progress that I've gotten. When I put makeup on, it is so smooth that you can hardly tell that I even have acne scars anymore. I really wish that I had before and after photos. I've been using this scrub twice a week for about a month now, and I love the way that it has made me feel. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you use a scrub, please leave your experience down below, and I will talk to you guys later. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video.